Okay, so let us discuss the educational round 93. So first problem, we are given an array of integers which is sorted in increasing order. So it is already sorted. And we have to check if there are three indices such that this condition is satisfied, and it is impossible to construct a triangle. Basically, a non-degenerate triangle, it means we cannot construct a triangle. So they're trying to say we have to check if three indices are present such that we cannot construct a triangle with those three indices. So how to solve? Non-degenerate means area non-zero. That means it's a triangle. So the array is already sorted and every element is greater than the previous one. So this was my submission for the problem. See, basically the property of a triangle is if there are two sides, suppose let's name the sides ABC, the property of a triangle A plus B should be greater than C. A plus C should be greater than B, and C plus B should be greater than A. Sum of any two sides should be greater than the third side. So in this array, they have already given everything in increasing order. So let me assume A less than B less than C. So for it to be a triangle, if we check this condition that A plus B is greater than C, if it is true, then we can make a triangle. If it is false, we cannot make a triangle. So that is why it is easy to check first element, second element, last element. Because if we check first, second, and last element and we are able to form a triangle, then we can form a triangle with any index, any element. If we are not able to form a triangle with first, second, and last element, we can never form a triangle. That is why it is enough to check the first, second, and last element and print the index, that is one based index in 1, 2, and n. If this condition is true, this condition is false, then print -1. So this was the answer to this problem. So second one, let us see. Some game, this is a game, we are given a string S consisting of 1 and 0. Allies will play first, Bob will play second. During a move, they can remove consecutive equal letters. So basically in the string, whenever they see consecutive equal letters, they will remove all that. But more importantly, we have to tell who will win. How do we decide who will win? The game ends when string becomes empty, and score of each player is number of one characters. So number of one characters deleted. Okay. So this is a very simple problem actually. Just observe the test case. First, what will allies do? Allies will remove all these four consecutive ones. We can remove equal consecutive characters. So allies will remove what? Allies will remove all these four ones. So score of allies is 4. Bob is left with only 1. We have to print allies score. So the answer is 4. Similarly, let us take the last example. Maximum number of consecutive ones is 4 here. Okay, allies will remove. After he removes all this, maximum is 3. So Bob will have a score 3. This is gone. This is already gone. Remaining is these two. So allies will take these two. That is why score of allies is 6. 4 plus 2. This 4 plus this 2. So basically it's a very simple problem. Whenever we get 1 in the string, we'll count. If we don't get it, we'll put it in a vector. We'll put the count value in the vector. We'll sort the vector in decreasing order, and sum of alternate elements we will take. Sum of alternate elements because first allies will play, then Bob will play. But we want only allies score. So we need to take the alternate elements. and we have to sort the array in decreasing order, because each player would want to maximize his score, right? So they will take the maximum number of consecutive ones. This vector represents maximum number of consecutive ones, the values. And don't forget to reset the count to 0 whenever s of I is not equal to 1. So the sum value will give us the final answer. So this was problem A and B. And that's all for this video. It is very simple. Both the problems are quite easy. If you had not solved them, or if you are confused, or if you wanted to verify this is correct. And thank you for watching. Bye.